Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Microsoft Store is missing or not showing or not installing in Windows Fix. So it is very easy to fix this Microsoft Store problem. So firstly you need to reset your Microsoft Store. So reset you need to try WS reset to reset this Microsoft Store. If you don't able to reset in my WS reset, if you don't able to reset in WS reset, so you try this second method. Simply search settings and open it. Oh, now click on apps, install apps, just click on it. Now here you type this store and Microsoft Store, click on these three dots, advanced options, this advanced option, click on it. Now scroll down and you see this reset option, click on reset, again click on reset. So this second way to reset this Microsoft Store, if you able to reset in WS reset, so you try this WS reset. If in your case this is not working and the same my case, in my case this is not showing, just I will search this WS reset. You see this is search in web, WS reset. You see this is searching in web. So I will don't able to try this method, so I will try this second method. So that second method is work fully done. So this is restart. So now search, after this reset process will be complete, so close it. And I hope your problem will fix. If does not fix, so you need to search PowerShell, this Windows PowerShell. Click on run as administrator, just click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now you need to type here this command line. If you comment, so I will give in decision box, you need to just copy and paste this command. So simply copy in my decision box. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. So just copy and simply right click on it, so this command will be easily pasted. You see this. After this process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching.